there's a clearing cache that happens that basically makes the files creation like we create the workspace, we're just not cleaning it. Whatever. Here we're gonna get it to create a portfolio. So a portfolio is any product or service, product, project, or service that we can be able to understand based on the URLs of your workspace, and it will automatically create it and get added to your workspace. And if you have files in your workspace, then they'll actually look into those files. You can see here some of the, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but you'll see here that some of the logs from the server are showing that they're basically performing RAG. For those who don't know what RAG is retrieval augmented generation, where we'll like the AI will ask questions to the files we have and then it will create it. So this is pretty anemic in all these things, but the whole idea was like I really wanted to set up the structure of this. Now, since we have a portfolio, what we can actually now go into is the workflow store. So here we'll go into the overview, and we shouldn't be able to see any workflows here because we haven't added any workflows to any workspace. The whole idea is that you come into the workflow store and you will be able to actually select one of these workflows, and you can be able to use these workflows to more or less start automating parts of your business. So this is the next feature that I'm going to work on, but I wanted to give you kind of an update here to show you exactly what's happening. So here we can be able to actually also, you can use Poly, like, so this is also a chat feature I haven't demonstrated. Hey, can you look at the data that I have, and then can you help me actually start to understand how we can create a marketing strategy for Poly? And I'll upload some files for you that you can actually ingest into the agency of Poly, but I want you to first get my data so we can actually be able to start working on some things. So that's going to get transcribed and actually sent back to me. I can read this and make sure that it actually doesn't make any spelling mistakes, like, spelling Poly wrong. And so I'll send this to the backend, and Poly should be able to respond. Now, once Poly gets all that information, we can actually see Poly will be able, like, I can be able to use that information to actually be able to, upload the document here and start actually having it ingested and with it. So this feature has been something here. Go. Here you go. Okay, actually, here. Let me see if I can try this because I haven't. Here you go. Can you look through the product that we're working, the platform we're working on, and can you do some market research of finding either Upwork job postings for customers and clients who I can be able to reach out with this, so that I can actually start getting people to start using the platform. And I want to do a beta test. So can you help me with that? So that's going to transcribe. It should add it back here. Thank God that worked. And so we're going to go there. I'll add some more files here. You do have a maximum number of files that we can go with, but I'm going to send that over. This feature should work. It seems that we have an error here where the feature failed to upload. So that's a bug that I probably will have to fix. And that's good though, because I've been actually trying to figure out where this bug is, because the file creation also exhibits the same issue. And I'm glad that I actually got to fix this.